Aflatoxin B1 AFB1 Fluorescence Quantitative Rapid Test Kit. Test preparation. Turn on the incubator. Set the incubation time and temperature. Wait until the temperature has stabilized at 30 Celsius. Sample preparation.
Weigh 5 grams homogeneous milled sample and put into a 50 milliliter centrifuge tube. Add 30 milliliter of 50% ethanol. Vortex for 30 to 60 seconds or shake vigorously up and down for 30 to 60 seconds to mix thoroughly. Centrifuge at 4,000 revolutions per minute for 2 minutes or put the solution standing for 3 to 7 minutes to obtain the supernatant.
Pipette 900 microliter AFB1 diluent into a 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tube. Then add 100 microliter supernatant and mix well. This is the detection solution. Test procedure. Insert the test cassettes into the incubator. Pipette 100 microliteral of the mixture from the microwell into the sample well of the test cassette. Result interpretation. Turn on the BioECYR SF31 reader, insert the ID chip. Click Test, after the information uploaded. Insert the test cassette. The result will show on the screen. If print automatically is checked, the result report will be printed automatically.
Your food safety concern, our dedication.